Google is teaming up with Coinbase. The tech giant announced a new partnership with the crypto exchange to let cloud customers pay for services with cryptocurrencies starting in 2023. As part of the deal, Coinbase will also transition some of its applications from Amazon Web Services over to the Google Cloud platform, and the deal is the latest push from Coinbase to diversify its revenue away.
You are hearing the right, guys. The world's largest internet company, Google, select the Coinbase payment system to take it the cloud payments and other cryptocurrencies and will use the custodial tools. Before we start the video, subscribe to the channel and turning on the red notifications button so you'll never miss any for future fascinating and interesting videos like that one. Google partners with Coinbase to accept crypto payments for the cloud services. Announced at Google Cloud's next conference, the tech giant said it will receive crypto payments via integrations with crypto exchange Coinbase. Crypto payments will initially be ruled out to be handful for customers involved in the Web3 industry. Google will also use Coinbase custody services and Coinbase Prime services. According to another crypto news website, Investopedia, Google partners with Coinbase to bring crypto payments to cloud services. According to Google Cloud's Vice President, the General Manager Amit Zaveri, the strategic partnerships with the Coinbase will be through Coinbase Commerce, a crypto platform for merchandise, and only selected customers will access these features on its launch in 2023. Currently, the platform only accepts 10 cryptocurrencies payments including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and the Bitcoin Cash.
On a new partnership with Google, now the tech giant teaming up with Coinbase to accept crypto payments for cloud services. Customers in the Web3 industry will get first dibs with the ability to pay using crypto. Google's also going to use Coinbase Prime for institutional services. This is just Coinbase's latest agreement with companies outside of their crypto space. They've got a deal with BlackRock to help manage and trade Bitcoin. They also have an agreement with Meta to support integration with Coinbase Wallet. So again, the stock.
With the interview of YouTube channel Yahoo Finance, they asked that the new partnerships will be Google. Now the tech giants are teaming up with the Coinbase to accept crypto payments for cloud services. Customers in the Web3 industry will get first dibs with the ability to pay using crypto. Google is also going to use a Coinbase Prime for institutional services. This is just the Coinbase latest agreement with the companies outside of the crypto space. David Briggs asked that the Bitcoin
and Bitcoin as well, just kind of locked in meh verse 19,000 stuck at that. And on the flip side though, in a letter to
as well as just kind of looked in meh verse 19,000 stuck at that. And on the flip side, through a letter to G20 finance ministers, the president of the Dutch central banks warns of risk that crypto poses to the investors and the market's confidence and suggests the potential breakout of the Coinbase and other major crypto players. So not all the good news clearly in the sectors, not for the Coinbase.
We see our collaboration with Google as an opportunity to bring Web3 to a new set of users and provide powerful solutions to founders and developers. There are 4 key aspects to our partnership. First, Coinbase will be using Google Cloud to build advanced data and analytics capabilities to better serve our customers. Google Cloud BigQuery will serve as the centerpiece of this new data processing architecture, while Vertex...
In an interview of YouTube channels, the Google Cloud, the CEO of Coinbase, Brian Armstrong, says that Google Cloud selects Coinbase Commerce, Coinbase Cloud Node, and the Coinbase Prime in the newly formed strategic partnerships to the accelerate Web3 adoptions and the innovations. Officially, YouTube channels of the Google Cloud posted a tweet that announced at Google Cloud's next Coinbase has selected Google Cloud to build an advanced exchange and the data services and more. There are 4 parts of the partnerships of the Google with the Coinbase, you can say that. So another question which arises here, what factor affect the Bitcoin price? Bitcoin price is primarily affected by its supply, market demands for it, and the availability and competing cryptocurrencies and the investor sentiments. Bitcoin's price limited and there is a finite number of Bitcoins and the final projects are to be mined in the 2140. Let's take a look on this tweets BlackRock, who is the breaking news and premium crypto agency. Google to allow some customers to pay for cloud services with crypto early next year via Coinbase CNBC. Let's take a look on overview of Bitcoin price could tumble to the $6,000 before another rally. Listen to these interviews right now.
Oh, it would take a lot, I think. And I don't see any events or anything happening anytime soon. I guess it's going to be more like creeping sideways somewhere between 18 and 20K. Again, also Bitcoin can always have a quick bounce because it's also oversold. But at some point I expect rather that this 18K support level will break, and then we could actually lose quickly another 30, 40, 50%. And I see the 10K level, there is an open gap in the Bitcoin future, slightly below 10K. That's right now my main expectation.
So 10K is your new support line for Bitcoin, and you see that breaking as well?
That would be the worst case, then we're gonna go back to 6K. But right now, I think 10K is already painful enough.
Wow. So
With an interview of Kitco News discussions, was Bitcoin price could tumble to $6,000 before an other rally?
Listen, I think once the Fed pivots, you're going to see assets in general rally, right? You've had a tremendous sell-off across the board based on Chairman Powell being really hawkish in the Fed, and rightfully so, right? You know, people always ask me, well, Bitcoin didn't work as an inflation hedge. And I'm like, are you guys crazy? It went from 10,000 to 70,000 when the Fed was producing inflation. Since the Fed has decided to try to smash inflation by raising rates aggressively, the most aggressive, rate raising in our lifetime, Bitcoin sold off with other assets. It's actually done better than most. And I think if you finally get the pause, you'll start seeing Bitcoin, pick back up. Bitcoin and all cryptocurrencies. Listen, are we going to get the pause? At one point, yes. We've priced in a lot, but, the inflation data is still lagging and hot.
With an interview of YouTube channel Yahoo Finance, the co-founder of Galaxy Digital says that about the Bitcoin. Galaxy Digital founder and the CEO Mike Novogratz joins Yahoo Finance live anchors Brad Smith and David Horwath to discuss what the Fed pivot would mean for Bitcoin, crypto regulations, US inflation, crypto sustainability, and the outlook of assets in the bear markets. That's it for today's. If you want new videos on that channel in terms of the Bitcoin, so subscribe to the channels and turning on the red notification so you'll never miss and for future fascinating and interesting videos like that one. So see you next time.